85, 86, that tour, 300s. But now, let me ask you a specific question. After the Women's World Cup, Mithali Raj, Arundhati Reddy, Sri Charani, the tradition is here. Are you planning something special to give the fillip to the women's game in Telangana? Because according to me, the opportunities are endless. And while we say that it's a level playing field, it's not. Match fees are the same. Central contract, 7 crores for men, 50 lakhs for women. So there is a big gap there. Are you, and the grassroots, practically no money. Are you going to sort of do something special in the light of the Women's World Cup to give a fillip to the women's game? Mohammad Azharuddin.
I think, Boria, the Telangana has produced many women players who have won a lot of medals. 2 are already here. And then Sania is there, and Saina Nehwal is there now. Nikhat Zareen also, they've got a lot of medals. So there is a lot of encouragement for women in Telangana. And they have won a lot of medals also. But I think the grassroots level thing, I'm also very in favor of grassroots level. But at the same time, I think what happens is, even if you pick people at the grassroots level, first you have to look at the skill. If you don't have the skill in a particular sport which you are picking up, then there's no point going ahead with a player. Because I remember about 3 or 4 years back, and I took somebody to Gopi's academy, and he looked at that person and he said, okay, no, it's not possible that he's going to play big badminton matches. So that's what we need from players, from coaches also. Because I think when you have the skill, then only all these things come up. Dedication, application, everything, hard work. If you don't have the skill, even if I have a skill to play cricket, then if I start playing football, then I'll be wasting my time and wasting everybody's time. So I think the Telangana Sports Hub also has been created by the Honorable Chief Minister, who is also a very avid sportsman. He plays a lot of football, and you will definitely see him in action on the 13th when he's going to play with one of my favorite players, Lionel Messi. And I think Telangana has already done a lot, and it's going to do well, because with this new future city which is coming up, there will be a lot of facilities. Because when I was growing up, when I was playing, there were hardly any facilities. We played on very, very different grounds. I want to tell you something, that I'm very, very lucky that I have not been injured very badly. I mean, the grounds we played and the wickets we played without helmets, everything, as a youngster, I'm very lucky. I mean, if you ask me to play now, I will not play, because it's not good. Because the facilities now have improved. I think you have a lot of coaches who are really very, very good. And then if you see, I mean, especially in the cricket, you have more staff traveling than the players. If I'm right, I would definitely say about that. And I think the facilities are very good, and the platform is there for the players, but how well they use that platform. I mean, winning a gold medal, and it's not very easy, and an Olympic medal, actually, Sindhu has already done that, and Jwala is also here, and Gopi Bhai is already, won the All England badminton. So I'm a very avid sports watcher. I mean, I like watching sports, but I think the most important thing I want to tell is that if you find somebody who's very skillful, who's very good, please take care of all his problems, starting from family till he goes up. Because what happens is, there are so many players who come up, they have a lot of family problems. Okay. They want to, their parents, a lot of pressure is there on the parent. They want their son to do something, get a job, and then get their sister get married, all the things. If you find somebody who's exceptionally well, you please take care of all his things. Just tell him, go and play. Don't worry about what is happening. That is the one thing. Okay. You should do it. Because if you do that, you will get many, many players. Because most of the players, they just fall away because of this problem.
So opportunity. If you try and understand what Azhar was talking about, opportunity, and that's what brings me to Jwala. Jwala, to see a summit like this, mainstream sport, this is clear mainstreaming sport. We've seen